Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making slow cooker beef stew. You will need 2 pounds of beef stew meat, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of red or black wine. For this recipe, I used black wine, 4 red potatoes, 1 small bag of baby carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Add your olive oil to your slow cooker, then using the brown setting, bring to temperature. If your slow cooker does not have a brown setting, then you can do this step using a frying pan. Now add your beef to the pot and cook in small batches to brown. Remove them from the pot, then set them aside until later. Add the onions to the pot, then saute for 3 minutes. Now add your garlic and continue to saute for an additional 2 minutes. Add your flour, then tomato paste, and mix well. Now pour in your wine to deglaze. Pour in your beef broth, then return the beef to the pot. Now season with the salt, pepper, paprika, and thyme. Now add the Worcestershire sauce. Now add the celery, carrots, and potatoes and mix well. Add the bay leaves, mix well, then cover and allow it to cook on the high setting for 4 hours. After 4 hours, your stew is ready to serve. Beef stew is one of my all-time favorite comfort foods, and this is an easy recipe. I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Well,